Well, getting closer to freedom. The windshield's in. Took the guy over 2 hours to put it in yesterday. Now to get it inspected. Can't wait. Feels like it's been forever, which it was, over a year, 2 months. But look at the birds. Cool, huh? Anyway, maybe in a week or two I'll have the inspection and I can go anywhere I want, do what I want. Chick, chick, chickies! The girls and the one boy is out. Come on over. Who's hungry? Here they come. Who's hungry? Chick, chick, chickies! Chick, chick, chickies! Come on over. Come and get something to eat. Come on. Chick, 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 chickies. Corn's good for them this time of year. Whole corn, that is. The oil in the, where is it at? That's connected to the cob, where you see the white. The corn oil is in there. It helps their feathers, helps them get warm in the winter time, keep the body weight up. Chick, chick, chickies! It was a gloomy day today. Chick, 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 chickies! Had a sale today on my eBay. That'll make, let me see, I think it's 26 to this point, or I had 4 or 5 in the last 2 weeks. It's not what I expected. I would like more, but it is what it is. You might think I never feed them. Chick, chick, chickies! They get other stuff too. The other ones are free ranging over there by the bush. Oh my, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. And the cold weather's coming in. It's supposed to get an Arctic blast. Don't look forward to that at all. I don't think our part of Pennsylvania is getting snow. We're getting rain tomorrow. Don't look forward to that either. Chick, 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 chicky, chicky, chickies. There's the rooster, the one that's mean. I'm surprised he hasn't jumped on me. That's his girlfriend. Hope everybody has a nice Thanksgiving dinner. It'll be raining tomorrow and Friday and cold. See that? He don't want to come near me because he knows I'll whack him with something. Maybe he learned his lesson. Chick, chick, chickies! Come on over. And I guess everybody will be out shopping on Friday, Black Friday. Spend, 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 even though we don't have money. This is the oldest chicken I have, Bev. Her name is Bev. She's the last one from my first flock of chickens. She's 9 years old. And these guys are, let me see, 3 years old, I think. Got them during COVID. I think 2 have died though. Yeah, 2 died. They just get weird. I don't know what happens, but they weren't very healthy, I guess. And there's the Rhode Island Red over there. I have 3 Rhode Island Reds. And 4, these 3 and a white one are, oh, I can't remember the name, but they lay green-blue eggs. Rhode Island Reds lay the brown eggs. Oh, there she is. She's over there. She's mean. Not to me, but to the other chickens. She thinks she's the boss. Well, tomorrow I think, even in the rain, I'm going to go out and collect evergreen branches and holly branches and some milkweed pods and some of that stuff off of that. What is that? A hydrangea. And make up some containers for the Christmas season and up until January. I'll show it after I'm done making them. I put other things in like that. The Johnny walking stick tree. I have 2 of them. They need to be cut down now. They're just overkill with leaves and they grow fast. I only had 1 branch and I stuck it in the ground and they grew like that. They're from the willow. They're like a willow tree, but they got curvature branches. The neighbor across the way there that I show, well, that's my buckets I'm cleaning up to store them for the winter. There's a house over there where I went to sit with them while they burned their bonfire. They were putting up Christmas lights yesterday. I don't do that anymore. I used to decorate, but maybe next year. It's what do you call, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so the traffic's busy now. I sold a pair of vintage thigh-high stockings today. A man bought them, so I don't know. Maybe he's transgender or something, or what do you call it? Well, yeah, I guess that's what it would be. He wants to be a woman. I have nothing against that. Nothing at all. Unless he's buying it for a girlfriend or just a woman friend. So I'll send him out Friday afternoon. Oh, I'm tired. It's been a long day. I had to do some research, and doing it online is very exhausting. I didn't come outside until just now because of doing that all day. I hope it works out what I was researching. I had to fill out all kinds of, I would say, online forms. Anyway, just thought I'd come out and show you the windshield, show you the chickens, have a little chit chat. Alright, I hope everybody's doing well. Have a good night. Bye.